Everybody is getting onto the chairs. When a chair, no, Sohail sir, please, 1 minute, please. Moka do, 1 minute to moka do. Are, is this the respect that you're giving the chair? Chair mungala meer chair lekkesi okal kotkunnaru. Is that? No, wait. No, wait. No, I will not give anybody a chair. I will not give. Sit down. Respect your ex officio members also here. Are, మీరు మీ ఎంపీ గారు ఉండగా మీరు టేబుల్ లేపి కొట్టుకుంటారా అండి ఇది? What is this? Andaru kuda, what is this? Your ex officio members are sitting here and you are getting onto the chairs and fighting. Are we rowdies? No, are we rowdies? We are all members. Sit down. Yes. Okay. On behalf of everybody, on behalf of that people.
No.
बैठ जाओ प्लीज. ओके, आई विल. आप बैठ जाइए, आप बैठ. रघुनंदन साहब को एक बार मैं एक बार नो सिट डाउन. वहां रघुनंदन गाరు మీరు ఒక్క ప్లీజ్ టెల్. I will let Raghunandan garu give that explanation. He will give that. Sit down for a minute. అన్న ఒక్క నిమిషం. అన్న Raghunandan garu ఒక్కసారి you please give them the clarification. You please give them the clarification. This should not happen. No, BJP, you are getting to be too much. Andaru kuda mimmalni sahakarinchi today we have agreed to, when we gave respect to our MP. We, as a chairperson, I gave respect to Raghunandan garu when he requested me for Vande Mataram. All the members here, ikkada ex officio members, andaram kuda we agreed on one platform and said okay. Then we said state geetam kuda cheppam. Ainanka kuda meer benches మీద ఎక్కే అవసరం ఏముందండి? Yes, some people have some objection there, but that doesn't mean you go దూషించుకునే విధంగా we should not be behaving. We are all corporators. Please understand. And నేను ఫస్ట్ చెప్పాను సభ సజావుగా జరగాలి అనేసి.